Welcome back. Let's insert our fastener assemblies. I will open up step 6. And again, when the file is open, I will leave my data panel shown so that I can insert my geometry. Before we insert the geometry for our fastener assemblies, I would like to make a new component. I will go right-click, New Component, and rename this Fastener Assemblies, and make sure that it is the active component. Now, when I click and drag my arm fasteners, my component will automatically be inserted inside of my Fastener Assemblies component. Again, I will move this into space and hit OK. And now I would like to join it into this location. I will use a rigid joint here, even though in the real world it would most likely be a revolute. I do not need to show that degree of freedom, so I will place a simple rigid joint. I will go Joint, and I will make sure that this says rigid. When I zoom in, I can see that I can select the outer edge of my washer, and it will automatically grab the center of that face. So I do not need to orbit around my model to select the appropriate point. Now when I select my second component, holding Control, my washer animates into the appropriate position. Again, the rest of my components will only move after I hit OK. They will not be previewed in the animation preview. Let's hit OK, and we can see that my fastener is in the appropriate location. Again, because we have our Fastener Assemblies component active, the rest of our model will be shown in a ghosted view. I would like to copy and paste this component for the rest of my model instead of reinserting my component multiple times. I found this to be an easier workflow, and it keeps you from confusing your inserted components. So I will select this component in the browser, go Control-C on my keyboard, and Control-V. This will paste a copy of my component into my model, and I will move this closer to where I want to join it and hit OK. I will go Control-V one more time and move this component here. Now we can place our new joints. I will zoom in, go to Joint, and again, I will select the outer edge of this washer, and holding Control, I will select the center of this circle. We will see our animation appear, and I can hit OK. Let's do this one more time. I will go Joint, select the outer edge of this circle to grab the center, and holding Control, I will snap to the center point of this circle. One last time, let's hit OK, and we can see that all of our fastener assemblies have been placed. I will go back to my home view, close this component, and activate my main component. Go ahead and save your file. And in the next video, we will begin to look at T-spline modeling in the Sculpt workspace. I will see you in the next video.